Hello guys, welcome to the Connects world. So what we got here, we're going to have 4 coasters. What we're going to have here is Web Weaver. And we got Clockwork, Lunar Launch, and Mega Strike. Alright, we got the Mega Strike, which is right here. So, here's the little coaster car. It's kind of cool. And you turn on this cool green motor. And here you go. And it also has 2 loop-de-loops. And it actually works. So, this coaster took pretty much an hour to build. Pretty cool, nice coaster. That's that. Next, we got Web Weaver. It's a really cool roller coaster. And you power this little coaster car. It goes up, 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 up. And that's that. Next, we got Lunar Launch Coaster. So this is a really nice roller coaster. And here's like a little step pedal. And I actually supposed to jump on it. Oh, you accidentally didn't see. Yeah, this doesn't really work. It sometimes does that. You jump. Yeah, there we go. Next, we got Clockwork Roller Coaster Building Set. This is a really cool coaster, but it can't use this thing because it might fall over. And here we go. So it has lots of... Whoa! Yeah, it doesn't really work right here. Yeah, it doesn't really work right here. But that's all. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Bye-bye!